The issue, the document has tables that don't have any headers, will occur whenever you have a table that's either in a Word document, an Excel spreadsheet, or a PDF that needs to have something that indicates what each of the columns contains. Whenever a screen reader encounters a table, it will use the header row to let the user know what type of data is in which cell. So to fix this, we can navigate to the document through the Blackboard Accessibility Ally report and download the original file. It'll indicate to us which table needs to be addressed. After we have downloaded the file, we can first use the Microsoft Accessibility Checker to check for accessibility. Right now, Microsoft Word is telling us that there are no tables that need header rows. However, Blackboard may interpret things differently than this Word document because of how it is that the document translates into Blackboard. To double check, we can go into table design after highlighting the table, and it looks like there is not a header row actually selected for this table. So if we hover over this content, we can select header row, or if it's already selected, I recommend unchecking it, then checking it again, and that'll indicate that this is the header row for the table. An additional step that can be helpful if the error is still showing up is to check the table properties by right-clicking the table and allowing the top row to repeat as a header row at the top of each page. Sometimes Blackboard may interpret different pages as separate tables, and so that next page is going to want a header row as well. If I were to instead have this as a problem in a PDF document, what I would need to do is prepare the document for accessibility. We're going to check for accessibility, and this accessibility checker will let us know where there are errors. For Adobe Pro to show us where those header rows are, it needs to be a tagged PDF. So we're going to ask that the tag auto happen. It looks like while it was automatically tagging the PDF, Adobe Pro automatically assigned a header row for that table. What we can do is navigate to the tags, scroll down until we see the table. It'll highlight all the different parts of the table. We want this top row to be the header row. So if we click on this TH, and TH stands for table header, it'll show us each of the pieces that are table headers. If we needed to change this, we could right-click that and select Properties, and we can distinct the tag type. Right now it's tagged as a table header cell, and we would want to make sure that that was how it was labeled rather than a table data cell. And finally, if this error were to occur in an Excel sheet, we would look for the table menu at the top and make sure that the header row function is clicked to ensure that the table has headers. After the issue is fixed, we would upload the fixed document into Blackboard to resolve the issue.